In this video, I will show you how to sell Bitcoin on Venmo. Let's get into it. If you're trying to sell Bitcoin on Venmo, the first thing you want to do is tap the button in the bottom right corner with the electronic-looking C that represents cryptocurrency. After tapping that, Venmo shows your current crypto holdings, and as you can see, I only have a very small amount of Bitcoin. If you want to sell Bitcoin, choose the cryptocurrency you're working with, so I'm selecting Bitcoin. After that, Venmo shows the Bitcoin trading chart. But to continue, you just tap the blue Sell button on the bottom right. Before selling, Venmo needs to confirm your tax information because selling cryptocurrency can have tax implications. It asks you to confirm your taxpayer status, enter your social security number, and verify your physical address. I'm entering that information off screen. Once that's done, you review the tax disclosure. And as long as everything looks fine, you tap Confirm and Submit. From there, you're taken to the Sell Bitcoin screen, where you can decide how much Bitcoin you want to sell. You can tap the blue button to sell all of your Bitcoin or manually type in the amount you want. Venmo shows that the minimum amount you can sell is $1, so I added more Bitcoin to continue. For this walkthrough, I'm selling $1 worth of Bitcoin on Venmo. After selecting the amount, you tap the blue Review button. On the review page, Venmo shows you where your money will go, so the value from selling Bitcoin will be added to your Venmo balance. It also displays the conversion details and the transaction fee. In this case, Venmo is charging me 49 cents, which is a high percentage because I'm only selling $1. But if you're selling a larger amount, the percentage ends up being much lower. If everything looks correct, you tap the green Sell Bitcoin button. A pop-up appears saying that the Bitcoin sale is processing and the funds will be credited to your Venmo balance once the sale completes. After dismissing that, I return to the home screen. Now I'm back on the crypto screen and the sale is showing as processing. So that's basically the process for selling Bitcoin on Venmo. And that's it. Thank you for watching.